So do not try to use acetone to clean off the gel polish residue in your lamp. Now, I turned off the lamp, mind you. Keep that in mind. I turned the lamp off. It was not on when I did this. I put a wet paper towel with, I soaked the paper towel with acetone. Well, really, I just sprayed it on there. Left it in there for like maybe 5 minutes, and it just melted the plastic. I don't know why they would make it out of something that would melt like this, knowing that people are gonna want to clean off all the gel. Well, I don't know about everybody, but I want to keep my lamp clean, and I can't even do that because of this. I'm frustrated, but just a warning, don't try it. It's not a good idea. It will mess up the plastic. On off, 30, 60, 120, and the low heat knob. Go. I like the automatic on. Counting down for 60 seconds. It's really pretty pink. Lots of room. And cordless.